I want to welcome you to the 6th Millen event. This is a special one for us because 1 year ago this month was our very first event. And we're really glad to see all of you here today. Just want to welcome you, and I'm going to introduce our founder of Millen US, Jamal Mohsen.
But we are the only largest organization who are organizing Muslim matrimonials in major cities of United States. We had 2 other events outside our home state. One was in Houston in March, and last week we had one in Washington, Virginia, in Best Western Falls Church, Virginia. And I see some people from there. They must be doing something right, that they are here in New York also. And I also see some repeat candidates. That's a good sign that they are not giving up, because a lot of time people say, okay, well, this doesn't work. And of course it's not gonna work because you tried only once. So this is something like, even in your own personal life, you meet so many people, but not everybody is your match because of several dynamics that work for a perfect match. So you cannot expect in one event that you will find a perfect match just attending here. Even though many of candidates have found their life partner through our event. This is our 6th, and today is our 1st year anniversary. Within a short period of time, we have introduced over 400 people, young, Muslim, male and female, introduced them, and many of them are in process, and 8 of them are already have found their life partner, they got married. Some of them are from Long Island, New York, because we have done like 3 events. This is our 4th in our home state. I'm a stockbroker and financial advisor, and we have some CPAs in our team. We have, so we were looking at the economy, and we are thinking that, I don't know if enough people will show up because of the bad economy, and they're gonna say, well, I'm not spending this kind of money. But I think, like a food and fuel, I think family is also very important, that you cannot go without it, no matter how bad is the economy. And that's, you can see that the banquet hall, that so many candidates, so many good professionals, and we have 98% of candidates here today who are college graduate, 98%. Out of 98%, 55% have master's degree, postgraduate. And I'm including the professional people also, because that's postgraduate. We have about 10 doctors in this room, 2 attorneys, and 7 pharmacists. Even if you don't find somebody here as a life partner, but you made a good friend who in turn, that they will introduce somebody who is your right match, even then, this event serves some kind of purpose. So, go out there and say, look, I didn't find anybody, but it was a great event, you know. Or criticize us constructively. Means that things that we know, like we make effort to reach out a lot of Muslim people, but we have no control over that what age group is gonna show up, what gender is gonna show up. So those things we cannot control, but we're gonna start now. We have a group discussion. You are on the table. You will be given a topic which Farah is going to explain to you, and then we have a one-on-one session also, and then we're going to have open session where family members who are sitting in the back of the table, last 3 table, they can also join and talk to young people, candidates here also.
डोली सजा के रखना, मेहंदी लगा के रखना, डोली सजा के रखना, लेने तुझे ओ गोरी आए सजना,
मेहंदी लगा के रखना, डोली सजा के रखना, ओहो ओहो।
सेहरा सजा के रखना, चेहरा छुपा के रखना, सेहरा सजा के रखना, चेहरा छुपा के रखना, ये दिल की बात अपने दिल में दबा के रखना।
सेहरा सजा के रखना, चेहरा छुपा के रखना,
मेहंदी लगा के रखना, डोली सजा के रखना।